Hey guys, it is April 22nd today and we are on our way to the Ancaster show, which is the first car show for the year. Many people are taking this opportunity to take their car out for a first time in the year, and it is a beautiful day. They call for 15-16 degrees Celsius, which is beautiful, and I can't believe that just 1 week ago it was snowing here in Ontario. There was about 5 inches of snow, and you can still see the snowbanks on the side of the road. Here is my co-pilot, and we're gonna go see what's going on at the show. I'm sure there's gonna be many beautiful cars there, and Chef Tash is gonna be there. He's not taking a car though, he's taking his daily driver. But yeah, we're gonna see some interesting cars, and I'm sure many nice people. So we're gonna take some more video on the way. Morning.
So it's $7 each.
Doesn't matter, it's taking video. This is a mini.
It's a mini.
Yeah. The miniest mini ever.
Wait, how many times was that? So weird.
Graham, what would you say with the pictures on?
Oh,
Was it YouTube?
no, we do 1966 E-Type 2.
There's the GT6 over there. But this one is marked.
This maroon one?
Yeah.
Sure.
Plus 18. Definitely a top down. So's the lowest that your daughter has got.
Lotuses and
And I just refunded it. Yeah, I think a little difference. Like I said, this one was 400 pounds, 3008R. That's the guys we're ordering.
Oh, is it?
You can see his cost is a bit more substantial.
I haven't taken a picture of your car yet.
You better do it. Good.
You haven't explored over here yet. Take a picture of a TR6.
Hi there.
your existence.
Because you're thinking, well, and I'm thinking now, you know, I'm being very optimistic. I think it's 20 years.
Yeah, even if I'm still alive,
If I could get up in the morning and walk, I'm probably
What's that white car over there? I like this one.
That's a Herald.
Wait, Harold is a name.
Probably. Yeah, Triumph. Mine is Triumph too, but it's Spitfire, right?
Yeah, I know. I'm just saying.
Oh yeah.
Oh, no wonder.
Alright, we walked around a little bit. We went inside. In that building there's a flea market. Is Chef here again?
just got back to Florida.
Okay, so we managed to buy some parts for TR6 because the TR6 ones are snapped here, the bolts. So we bought all these for $5, believe it or not. I thought it was $5 each, but actually it was $5 for all of them. Great.
That's funny. Yes, the one with the top off.
So as expected, we had a very nice day. We saw many interesting cars. We met and spoke to many nice people, and we bought what we needed. And finally, we are heading home now with the top down, enjoying the first warm day of the year. We have about hour and 20 minutes drive to home, and I'm sure it's gonna be even nicer one than the morning one that we had, because we have the top down and we're gonna have fun on the way. So thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for more videos like that, more car show videos, more drive along videos in the summer, and of course more restoration videos. These are number one, as you know.